Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Styles. So today I will be showing you how to make a skin brightening glycerin. Okay, so let's get started. So here are the ingredients we're going to be using. Here I have my mulberry root extract. Mulberry root extract is a skin lightener. This I got from Making Cosmetics. I always make mine at home, but I ran out of it, but it's on the way. So you can get it from Making Cosmetics. You can see the easy name is glycerin, water, and mulberry root extract in it. So here I have my bearberry extract. This I made it myself. As you can see, I have a video on how you can make yours. You can see I made it with 75% of glycerin and 25% of water, and you leave it to infuse for 4 weeks. As you can see, I have my date on it still. Then here I have my lemon peel extract. I also have video on how you can make yours. This is made with glycerin alone. There's no water in it, so we'll be using it. And here I have my lactic acid. I'm using the 90%. Here I have my sodium lactate. Here I have my propylene glycol for easy absorbance into the skin. And here I have my polysorbate 80 for emulsifying. It serves as our emulsifier or solubilizer for the oils. And here I have my licorice oil extracted here at home. As you can see, licorice oil. I'll be adding my vitamin E oil. And here I have my papaya leaf infused in grape seed oil. This is papaya leaf that contains all the papaya enzymes you need. So I did it myself. I have the video on how you can make all this oil at home. And here I have my Optifen, which is our preservative. Okay, please go through the ingredients because I'm always busy. I don't have time to write out the ingredients, you know. All my producer does is just to upload the video for me, you know. And don't know. All right, so I'm going to start by adding the oils first. So I'm going to start with my licorice extract. And here I'll be using half teaspoon. Don't know if you can see it. So I'll be adding half teaspoon of licorice extract. Then next I'm going to add my papaya leaf extract. Ooh. Then next I'm going to add a little of my tocopherol, which is vitamin E. Next, I'm going to add the polysorbate 80. So first, we are emulsifying, trying to emulsify the oil so that it can combine properly with all other ingredients. So I'm adding. So after adding all that, you're going to stir it to for the polysorbate to emulsify the oil and mix together. So after blending the oil and the polysorbate, so now I'm going to start by adding my lemon peel in glycerin extract. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon peel. I'm going to add my mulberry root extract. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of. Then next, I'm going to add my bearberry extract. Then next I'm going to add my propylene glycol, and I will be adding 1 tablespoon also. Next, I will be adding my sodium lactate, as you can see, and I will be adding half teaspoon. Then finally, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of lactic acid. 1 teaspoon. Oh. So after adding everything, you take your blender and blend up. Blend until everything mixes together. Blend very well until it's well combined. So after blending it together, add it to your container. If you want to add fragrance, essential oil, anything you like, you can add. See, me, I'm not adding. So this is our lightening glycerin. As you can see, the color is this way because of the extracts we added to it. So that is it. That is how to make your skin brightening glycerin. Simple and easy. This will brighten your skin. So what you do is, don't use it directly. If you're going to be using it directly, is when you want to use it, mix it with your, don't pour it inside your lotion or your cream. Take your cream in your palm and then put in a little of it, mix it together in your palm and apply it all over your body. Okay, use it patiently 2 times every day and you will see it work. It really works. It really works. I've been trying it. I've been trying it on myself for the past maybe like for the past few weeks, about 2 or 3 weeks now, and it really does what I want it to do. All right, guys, so that is it. If you have any question, you can ask, but do not ask me what ingredients, list the ingredients, because I have mentioned everything in the video. Okay. All right, guys, so I will see you guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful. Love you all. Bye bye. See you soon. Don't forget to add your preservative. It's optional if you want. So just gonna add just a little drop. A little drop of it.